Guys, so meron tayong mixer dito na rural na 12 channel. So guys, share ko lang yung yung iba't ibang reverb, echo or yung mga effects nitong rural. Ito yung nagustuhan kong reverb so far na budget friendly na mixer. So, yung ite-test natin dito is itong hall, tapos room, echo reverb at saka yung karaoke. So yung number 9 na lang natin diretso guys, tapos 19, tapos 59 at 69. So tingnan natin yung mga iba't ibang para makumpara natin. Alright, simula tayo sa hall. So nga pala yung gagamitin natin na mix na amplifier is itong Ace. Alright, Ace. Tsaka mahina lang yung volume guys. So yung speaker natin is itong ating DIY na monitor speaker na D15. Naka JBL pa guys. Alright, so start tayo sa number 9 or itong hall. Alright. And guys, so gumamit lang kayo ng headset para mas klaro. So, let's go.
Hello, check, testing. Mic check, 1, 2.
Okay guys, so next natin is itong number 19 na room. Okay, palitan natin sa 19. Ayan.
Hello, check. Mic check, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2.
Okay guys, so next natin is itong echo reverb or number 59. Alright.
Hello, check. Testing, mic check, 1, 2. Check.
Okay guys, so yung next natin yung panghuli is yung karaoke. Ano kayang tudog nito? Number 69. Ayan. Alright.
Hello, check. Testing, mic check, 1, 2. Check, testing, mic check, 1, 2.
Okay guys, so isunod-sunod natin yung pagpapalit-palit para malaman natin yung pinagkaiba nila guys. So, let's go.
Hello, testing, mic check, 1, 2. Hello, testing, mic check, 1, 2. Hello, testing, mic check, 1, 2. Hello, testing, mic check, 1, 2.
Ayan guys, so narinig yung pinagkaiba ng mga effects ng rural TK12 or 12 channel na mixer. So yung setting natin guys so naka unity gain lang tayo. Yung effects natin naka 0 lang. Tsaka yung microphone din naka 0. Tapos naka flat lang tayo dito. Yung effects lang natin guys is medyo naka 11 o'clock lang. So yun guys, so senior ko lang. Hindi mo bulol-bulol. Anyway, share ko lang yun guys. Yung pinagkaiba ng mga effects. So, kayo nang bahala mamili guys kung ano yung gusto nyong effects. Ito is basic lang naman to na mixer guys. Hindi to pang pro guys Hindi to yung digital. Analog lang to guys. And pwede na pang renta guys. So, yun lang. Alright.